Site Fixer is a single PHP script included with the full version of Tom's Site Auditor. Upload it to your web server, open it in your browser, and it crawls your site and lets you fix real SEO problems directly on your server. No desktop app required. It detects and fixes 6 categories of issues: missing canonical tags, missing OpenGraph tags, images without width and height dimensions, missing meta descriptions, titles that are too short, and orphan pages that nothing links to. Auto-fixable issues, canonical tags, OpenGraph tags, and image dimensions are safe additive changes that can be applied across your entire site in one click. Meta descriptions and short titles require your input. Site Fixer suggests text from your page content, shows a character count, and previews the exact HTML change before anything is written. Every fix creates a time-stamped backup. Nothing is modified until you click Apply. When you're done, delete the file from your server. This demo shows how to scan your website for SEO issues and fix them directly on your server. No software to install, no subscription required. Enter your site-based URL, set your max page limit, and click Scan to crawl your site and find every issue Site Fixer can fix. Click any page in the results to see the issues found and the available fixes for that page. Review the proposed change, then click Apply to write the fix to that page. Click OK to accept and apply the change. Work through each issue in turn, review the proposed fix and click Apply to update the page. Click OK to confirm each change. Every fix you apply creates a timestamped backup of the original file automatically. Rescan your site after applying fixes and you'll see the resolved issues are no longer reported. When you're ready to clean up the rest, click Fix All Safe Issues to automatically apply all canonical tags, OpenGraph tags, and image dimension fixes across every page on your site in one go. No individual approvals needed. Click OK to confirm and Site Fixer will write all the safe fixes to your site simultaneously, each with its own timestamped backup. Run a fresh scan to confirm all the fixes have been applied and your site is clean. Before making any further changes, click Backup Manager to see every timestamped backup Site Fixer has created. You can review what was changed on each page and restore any file to its previous state if you ever need to undo a fix. Click Preview to read the exact contents of any backup file before deciding whether to restore it. Click Close to dismiss the preview and return to the Backup Manager. Select individual backups to delete and once you're satisfied the fixes are correct and you no longer need the originals. Click Delete selected to permanently remove the chosen backups and keep your backup folder tidy. Click OK to confirm, the selected backups will be permanently deleted. Click Close to return to the main Site Fixer interface. That's Site Fixer, a single PHP file that crawls your site, identifies real SEO problems, and lets you fix them directly on your server with full backup protection at every step. To recap what you saw, scan your site to find issues across every page, review and apply fixes individually, or let Site Fixer handle all safe fixes in one click, and use the Backup Manager to preview, manage, or restore any change you've made. Site Fixer is included with the full version of Tom's Site Auditor, available at tomdane.com as a one-time purchase. No subscription, no recurring fees. Download the free trial today and start cleaning up your site.